Good afternoon to all. Welcome to the Education Institute. We will discuss second part of the lecture 7, right? We will discuss second part of the lecture 7, question number 51 to question number 100. Okay. So coming to the question number 51, we have already completed question number 1 to 50 of lecture 7, publicly clear current affairs. And now come to the question number 51. India's rank in the Global Peace Architecture Report. India's rank in the Global Peace Architecture Report released in 2025. The question is, what is the rank of India? 45, 52, 60 and 63. So the correct answer is 52. India has got 52nd position in the Global Peace Architecture Report 2025. India launched the world's largest project in which energy sector in 2025. India has launched the world's largest project in which energy sector in 2025. Your option is green ammonia, green hydrogen, solar thermal hybrid, nitrogen based energy. So the correct answer is green hydrogen. World's largest. India launched the world's largest project in which energy. So the correct answer is green hydrogen. Which country launched the world's first AI powered parliament TV? World's first AI powered parliament TV in 2025. Which country launched this one? Right? Your option is UK, India, Japan and Germany. The correct answer is India. Correct answer is India. India's tax GDP ratio in 2025 as per the report released by the OECD. What was the India's tax GDP ratio? Right? 10.5, 11.5, 12.1, 13.0. The correct answer is 12.1%. India's tax GDP ratio as per the report released by OECD. At which port will India's first marine biofuel corridor become operational in 2025? Tell me the name. What was the name of the port? Kochi, Mumbai, Kandla and Paradip. The correct answer is Kochi. Which country implemented the space-based crop insurance law in 2025? Which country implemented the space-based crop insurance law in 2025? Your option is Australia, India, USA and Israel. The correct answer is India. The correct answer is India. With which country did India sign the Metro Rail Safety Protocol MOU in 2025? With which country did India sign the Metro Rail Safety Protocol MOU in 2025? Your option is UK, France, Germany and Japan. So the correct answer is Japan. Correct answer is Japan. Which country led the Right to Clean Digital Space initiative launched by UNO in 2025? Which country led this? India. Right to Clean Digital Space initiative launched by UNO and led by India. Which state became India's first complete water recycling state in 2025? Right? Tamil Nadu. Which state became India's first complete water recycling state in 2025? The correct answer is Tamil Nadu. In which sector did India launch AI National Credit Rating System in 2025? MSME, agriculture, banking, startup. In which country did India launch AI National Credit Rating System? AI National Credit Rating System. In which area? MSME, agriculture, banking, startup. Right? The correct answer is MSME. Correct answer is MSME. In which sector did the World Bank declare India as the global innovation leader in 2025? In which? This is a very important question. Because India has been declared as global innovation leader in 2025 by World Bank. In which areas? Your option is agriculture AI, digital payment, health BI, quantum security. So the correct answer is digital payment, where we are regularly using Paytm, PhonePe, like these things. Digital payment. With which country did India sign the Arctic Research Navigation Treaty in 2025? The correct answer is Norway. India and Norway has signed Arctic Research Navigation Treaty in 2025. Average age of India in the Global Marriage Age Report released in 2025. What is the average age? as per the report? What is the average age of India in the global marriage age report? Right? The correct answer is 24.4 years is the average marriage age as per this report. In 2025, NASA sent a new AI rover to the surface of which planet? This is also a very important question. NASA sent a new AI rover to the surface of which planet? Mars, Mercury, Venus and Europa. Correct answer is Venus. The distance of the Venus from Sun, I think it's second position. First is Mercury and then Venus. India launched AI health diagnosis grid in 2025 under which ministry? Tell the name of the ministry. Ministry of Health. Yes, you can guess this one because the question is AI health diagnosis grid in 2025 and there is an also option available here, Ministry of Health. Which country launched ocean-based fiber optic internet for the first time in 2025? Tell the name of the country, right? Which country launched the ocean-based fiber optic internet for the first time in 2025? The correct answer is Singapore. The correct answer is Singapore. Where did India's first carbon credit e-auction market start in 2025? Tell the name of the city, state. Mumbai. India's first carbon credit e-auction market started in 2025 started from Mumbai. India's rank in the Cyber Defense Preparedness Index released in 2000. What is the position of India? In which index? Cyber Defense Preparedness Index, right? So the position of India is 4th. India's position of 4th. Which country launched the first AI Coast Guard network in 2025? Which country launched the first AI Coast Guard network in 2025? And your option is India, Japan, USA and UK. But correct answer is India, right? India has launched the first AI Coast Guard network in 2025. India's first AI-based rail safety grid by 2025 was launched in which railway zone? The correct answer is South Central Railway. Correct answer is South Central Railway. What was India's rank in the recently released Global Ports Connectivity Index? The index name of the index is Global Ports Connectivity Index in 2025. So the question is, what is the position of India in this index? And your option is 7, 10, 14 and 18. And the correct answer is 14. India's got 14th position in the which index? Global Ports Connectivity Index, right? Indra 2025 military exercise took place